In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade on MetaTrader5. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to open a basic trade from start to finish using the built-in order window in the platform. First, make sure MetaTrader5 is open and you're logged into your trading account. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a panel called Market Watch. This is where all your available trading instruments are listed, such as currency pairs, indices, or commodities depending on your broker. If you don't see Market Watch, you can usually enable it from the View menu at the top of the platform. Once it's visible, take a moment to scan through the list and find the symbol you want to trade. When you've found the symbol you're interested in, move your mouse over it and right-click. This will open a context menu with several options related to that specific instrument. From this menu, you'll want to select New Order. This is the command that opens the trading window, where you'll be able to set up all the details of your trade. After clicking New Order, a new window will pop up. This is the order ticket. At the top, you'll see the symbol you're about to trade, so double check that it's the correct one. In this same window, you can choose your order type, usually market execution for an immediate trade, or pending order, if you want to enter the market later at a specific price. You'll also need to set your volume, which is your position size. Take care here, because the volume determines how much you're risking. Below that, you'll see fields for stop loss and take profit. These are optional, but highly recommended. A stop loss helps limit your loss if the market moves against you, while a take profit automatically closes your trade once it reaches your target level. You can type in exact price levels or adjust them later on the chart if your broker allows it. Once all the order details look correct, simply follow the on-screen prompts. For a market order, you'll usually click either buy or sell, depending on the direction you want to trade. The platform will confirm that your order has been placed, and you should see the new position appear in the terminal or trade panel at the bottom of the screen. From there, you can monitor your open trade, modify your stop loss, or take